Hello guys, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make chests in Fortnite creative mode. So I'm currently in my Fortnite creative world. So say I want to make a chest. You're probably gonna go to here and, well, it says add items to chest and then create a chest for llama. But how do we add items to it if we don't have the chest? And you can't click any of the buttons. So, what do? Go over to weapons or consumables, whatever you want to put in your chest. I'm going to go with weapons. I'm going to put in a hand cannon. I think I'm going right so far, so I just put that in my inventory. And then I'll go and click on somebody else. But let's say I want to add this to my chest now. I can't just click on it and click add to chest. It adds what's up here, not down here. So that's a common mistake people make when doing this. So it has to be selected in this menu, not in your equipment. So you go back up and we would click on it right here, so you can see it in the side. Then you would click the add to chest button and something pops up in your chest and there's the same exact item you decided to put in there. So now let's put in some consumables. So there's all these different materials and stuff. So I'm going to put in, let's put in a boogie bomb. Add a boogie bomb to the chest. Also, let's add some bandages. I'll add 3 bandages. To add more than one of something like a med kit or bandages, just click add to chest 3 times. When it comes out, it'll be 3, like, mushed together. But in here, it shows as like 3 different things. So I guess that's pretty good. And now we have the option to create it as a llama or create it as a chest. I'm going to chest, and as you see, it just pops up right in front of us. Well, of course, yeah, we have a chest now, but no one really wants a floating chest. So, click the key that gets you into your little creative phone. I have it as dot because I like that. So, now, just left click the chest, which is the copy button. Now let's put this chest basically anywhere. Find where we want to put it. Let's say I want to put mine here. Now we have the chest there, and everything that we put in it does come out. So copying it is literally just taking the chest and putting it over there. But we still have this floating chest. So you're going to go back in your menu, click the delete button. So now we only have the chest we placed down, this chest right here. So yeah, that is how to place chests in creative mode. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.